Hello guys, this is Ahmed here and welcome to the daily fundamental and technical analysis for today. As usual guys, we're gonna go to discuss the monthly chart and the monthly chart is remaining the same, no change. We still continuing to see the flag button, the continuation button, and we said this is has to bring a point down and after that it has to go up. So this will take too much time to create this and we got to wait that. Now if we drill down to the weekly time frame, as usual, you can see that on the weekly time frame, we have said yesterday that the price might retrace to 1879, and it has done that and retraced back. We have had a sell from the top, and we said also the price might retrace to the 1896.67, and it's about to do that today. So if I go also to the daily time frame, I will see that there is already blue candle on the daily time frame yesterday. So that is an indication for seller changing to buyer again, and that will make me to make an entry from here. And based on that entry, I will go and target this level, 1879.130 and the 1896.67 since they are the next resistance level. So what I'm going to do whenever there is oversell or overbuy and I see color change on daily basis or on 4 hour time frame, what I will do, I will immediately place my order and that is what I have done now. I have already entered buy and I am targeting this level and this level based on the strategy which we have explained to you guys yesterday. So on the daily time frame, I can see color change. That means the buyer, they are jumping into the market and I can see push up. So now if I drill down to understand to the 4 hour time frame, that is will be more clearer. So this resistance level already was tested yesterday. However, we did not test this. So what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing a button here, but there are two buttons here. It could be a continuation button and it could be a reversal button. So let's see this in the 1 hour time frame. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, now you could tell me clearly what is this. However, let me draw it for you. I'm going to start from this point, that is the resistance level, to this point, and to this point, to this point, and let's say like this. So you will figure out. So if I break 1881.62, that is will be double bottom button, and that will bring the price to reach the 1909. I will be targeting 19 or 1904. So I have already placed my order here and I am waiting up and I am putting $12 stop loss. So, however, if the price retrace back, I'm going to add position every $5 or every $4 back. So now, if I want to consider this as a continuation button for bearish trend, then this has to break the 1861 and continue down. So I can consider this as a bearish button if it's a bearish button. So if I drill down to the half an hour time frame, I might have the price achieving 1878.68, and that will be the formation of the bearish button. So I'll be having point number one here, point number two here, and this is will be having point number one here, point number two, and it has to bring me in point number three here and point number three on the top, then it has to break down. So if I want to consider this is a bearish button and this is looks like a bearish button but is still not confirmed yet. So this is look like a raising wedge, a bearish button, but is still not confirmed yet. I need to see the 3 points on the resistance, the 3 points on the bottom. So this is 1 point, this is 1 point, this is two. Now this is only 1 point. We need to have two, and we need to have the third one on the bottom, then the third one on the top. Then we have a breakout down. So this is not confirmed yet. We are going to wait it. So if this bearish button confirm this will at least go to the 1877 area. So that is from a technical side. If we are breaking top, we have the resistance at the top, and we have explained that. Fundamentally, guys, today we have a big impact news on the Australian dollar, and this might make a spike at 7:30 a.m. However, this is not affecting too much the market, but it might make a big spike on the 7:30 a.m. So you got to watch this, and if the positive data coming here, green numbers, the gold will go up. If red numbers, the gold will go down fundamentally. So simply because Australia is considered one of the biggest producer for the gold. They are taking 40% from the gold production in the world. So their price, their currency price is affecting the gold because the more the currency going expensive, that means the gold will become expensive as well. So this is fundamentally related to the Australia. And today we have also big news or big announcement, or let's say the big events happening, and this will happen at 9 p.m. This is when the EU market close, and this is the speech of the Federal Reserve Bank chairman, Mr. Powell. And this guy, when he speaks, he move the market a lot. So we got to careful about that as well at 9 p.m. So this is what we have for today, 7 February 2023. So thanks for watching this, and speak to you on next analysis video.